From the ancient walls of Ile-Ife, a whisper grows in the market squares of Omayor where the wisdom flows. From the Lagos docks to the Ibadan plains, we hear the call. A people standing tall, determined not to fall. Prof.Akintoye's words, a scholarly light, charting our future, reclaiming our right. A blueprint drawn from our sacred past, a nation built on foundations meant to last.
Self-determination, it's our declaration, a new dawn for the Yoruba Nation. With Igboho's courage we defend our soil against the turmoil and the pointless spoil. With comrade Omayor's fire, the youth awake. For our children's future, the stand we take. Oduduwa's children hear the drum. Our time for freedom has surely come.
Igboho Osha, the chief who holds the shield, protecting every farm, every city, every field. The defender's spirit, fierce and true, for every daughter and every son of you. And in the streets, the voice of the young, by Omayor's passion, the anthem is sung from grassroots up. The message is clear in every village, every town. We hold it dear. He teaches history, he sparks the mind. A generation unified, a destiny defined.
Self-determination, it's our declaration, a new dawn for the Yoruba Nation. With Igboho's courage we defend our soil against the turmoil and the pointless spoil. With comrade Omayor's fire, the youth awake. For our children's future, the stand we take. Oduduwa's children hear the drum. Our time for freedom has surely come.
It's not about the hate, it's about the fate we choose. It's in our language, our culture, the paths our elders use. Education is our weapon, awareness is our key. To build a land of justice, peace, and prosperity. From the sage's counsel to the warrior's might, to the youth's fresh vision, burning ever bright. This triad of strength, a powerful blend on this sacred mission until the very end. So listen to the elders, heed the warriors' cry. See the future shining in the youth's determined eye. From achy hills to the Ondo coast, the chain is linked. For the dignity once lost, our spirits are distinct. We educate, we agitate, we organize, we pray for the sovereign, the morning of a brand new day. With truth as our banner, unity our thread. We march to the future our ancestors led.
Oduduwa Nation, arise, arise, with clear vision in our eyes. Akintoye, Igboho, Omayor lead the way for our self-determined day.